Discover natural sleep solutions that can transform your nights. Are you tired of sleepless nights tossing and turning, unable to find peace? Do you long for restful, rejuvenating sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and energized? Many people struggle with insomnia, a condition that affects millions worldwide. It can impact your energy, mood, and overall well-being, making daily life a challenge. But there is hope. Nature offers a gentle, effective solution: herbal remedies that have stood the test of time. Herbal medicine has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including insomnia, with great success. These natural remedies work in harmony with your body to promote sleep without harsh side effects, ensuring a peaceful night. Join us as we explore the world of herbal remedies and discover how they can help you unlock the power of natural sleep, enhancing your life. Ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized? Let's dive into the world of holistic health and discover how herbal remedies can help you reclaim the power of peaceful sleep, naturally and effectively. Holistic health is a way of looking at your well-being as a whole. It considers your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Herbal medicine aligns perfectly with this approach. Herbs work gently with your body's natural systems. They address the root cause of your sleep problems, not just the symptoms. This holistic approach promotes long-term well-being and can lead to lasting relief from insomnia. By addressing the underlying imbalances, you create a harmonious environment within, allowing your body to relax and rejuvenate naturally. Our bodies thrive in a balanced state. Alkaline herbal medicine focuses on restoring this balance by reducing acidity. Many factors, including stress and diet, can contribute to acidity in the body. This imbalance can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to insomnia. Alkaline herbs help neutralize acidity. This creates a more balanced internal environment that supports restful sleep. Some examples of alkaline herbs include chamomile, valerian root, and lemon balm. These herbs are gentle yet powerful allies in your quest for a good night's sleep. Let's explore some specific herbs and their benefits for common ailments, including insomnia. Section 4. Nature's Remedy Chest. Herbs for Sweet Dreams. Nature provides a wealth of herbs that can help you achieve restful sleep, each with its own unique benefits. Each herb has unique properties that address different aspects of sleeplessness, from calming the mind to relaxing the body. Chamomile. This gentle herb is well known for its calming effects, often used to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. Chamomile tea before bed can help soothe your mind and prepare you for sleep, making it a popular choice for many. Valerian root. Valerian root is a powerful herb that helps reduce anxiety and promote sleep, often used for its sedative properties. It is often taken in capsule form or as a tea, providing flexibility in how you choose to consume it. Lemon balm. This lemony herb has mood-boosting and relaxing properties, making it a delightful addition to your nightly routine. Lemon balm tea can ease tension and promote a sense of calm, helping you unwind after a long day. These are just a few examples of the many herbs that can help you get a good night's sleep, each offering its own unique benefits. But where do you find these herbs, and how do you use them safely and effectively? It's important to source them from reputable places. This is where the apothecary comes in, offering expert advice and high-quality herbs to ensure you get the best results. Section 5. The Wise Apothecary, a guide on your herbal journey. The apothecary is a treasure trove of herbal knowledge. For centuries, apothecaries have been the keepers of herbal wisdom, carefully crafting remedies to address various ailments. Today, you can find apothecaries online and in health food stores. Apothecaries offer a wide variety of herbs in various forms, including dried herbs, teas, tinctures, and capsules. They can guide you in choosing the right herbs and dosages for your specific needs. Many apothecaries also offer educational resources and workshops to deepen your understanding of herbal medicine. Learning about herbs empowers you to take control of your health and well-being. Let's explore how you can embark on this journey of self-discovery through herbology. Section 6. Embrace the power of plants. Your journey to wellness begins today. This is the first step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Herbology, the study of herbs, is a fascinating and empowering journey. It opens up a world of natural remedies and holistic health practices. You can begin exploring this world through books, online resources, and workshops. These resources provide valuable insights and practical knowledge. Start by learning about common herbs and their uses. Chamomile for relaxation, lavender for stress relief, and mint for digestion are great starting points. Experiment with different herbs and preparations to find what works best for you. Herbal teas, tinctures, and salves are just a few ways to incorporate herbs into your daily routine. Remember to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Their guidance ensures your safety and well-being. Herbs are powerful allies, and it's essential to use them safely and responsibly. Proper dosage and understanding of each herb's properties are crucial. As you delve deeper into the world of herbal medicine, you'll discover a wealth of knowledge and experience the transformative power of plants. This journey is both educational and deeply rewarding. Embrace the journey and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. The path to wellness is filled with the wonders of nature, waiting for you to explore.